Okay, well, the time has finally arrived after
Hallelujah.
what seems like an age, probably 12 months since we've been planning this trip. But anyway, we're about to head off to Tokyo to start our 40th anniversary trip, which includes a cruise and also visiting some friends and other new places in Japan that we haven't been to before. So I thought we'd kick it off with a couple of glasses of bubbly. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
So, Deb, what are you most looking forward to on this trip?
I'm looking forward to the cruise and doing absolutely nothing if I don't have to. And then my next favourite thing I'm going to want to do is visiting the ANU Cultural Centre up near Sapporo.
Yep, cool. We're going to definitely try and do some things that we haven't done on previous trips this time. I think for myself, I'm looking forward to a cruise because I've never done one before, other than a 3-day little thing, which doesn't really count. And also, be great to see our friends again and also try some new stuff. As Deb said, got some things planned up in Sapporo, which stay tuned. Hopefully we'll bring you some of that later on. Anyway, we've got a plane to catch, so we're going to sign off and we'll see you in Japan.
Bye.
Good morning, everybody, from on board the Diamond Princess. So we're just doing a little bit of a walk around, and we thought we'd check in with everybody because we do have a little bit of news. So the Typhoon Halong, which is off the coast of Japan, has actually put a little bit of a red pencil through a few things on the trip. So we've got some changes and some cancellations. So instead of heading out of Yokohama and heading south, we ended up heading into, well, north, I guess, basically. So we've lost some ports, and we've lost Toba, which we're supposed to be heading to today. We've lost Kochi, and we've also lost Beppu. But they've added a couple of ports, Hakodate and Hakata, which we've never been to before, but which we've never done any research on either, so we're going to have to do a little bit of a think about what happens there. But I guess safety's number one, so yeah, I'd rather be away from a typhoon than trying to sail through one. The centre atrium of the ship. Got a little piano guy down there. That's where we sat when we boarded first with our friends Jeanette and Mark. This is definitely one of the bars on this floor that I would like to check out. It's called Crooner's Bar. So I think you can do the math. That'd be pretty cool, I reckon, with a little sneaky whiskey. Nice chairs, very fancy chairs. Sort of, I'm sure they're not real, but alligator skin, crocodile skin. Yes, it goes back here. They've got a guy who plays piano at night. Yeah, pretty cool setup. Obviously, we had dinner last night, which I have to say was a little bit disappointing, but I'm sure it's onward and upward from there. We've given the benefit of the doubt first night out. So we're feeling our way a little bit around the place. It's very confusing where everything is, but I'm sure after a couple of days we'll get it worked out.
On a cruise like this, please don't hesitate to let us know as well. Okay?